Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best vinyl disc is probably one of the most iconic and cherished ways to experience music, offering a warm, analog sound that digital formats simply can't replicate. This format has seen a massive resurgence in popularity, with audiophiles and casual listeners alike rediscovering the joy of physical media and the ritual of playing a record. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your vinyl journey, understanding what makes a great vinyl disc is crucial for an optimal listening experience, from the material it's pressed on to the mastering process it undergoes. Number 5. Big Fudge 4-in-1 Vinyl Record Cleaning Kit. Keep your cherished vinyl collection in pristine condition with our comprehensive 4-in-1 cleaning kit. It's everything you need for superior record care. This kit provides an all-in-one solution for cleaning your records. It includes an ultra-soft velvet brush, cleaning liquid, and a stylus brush for thorough maintenance. Our ultra-soft velvet brush gently removes dust and debris without scratching your records. The included cleaning liquid further enhances the cleaning process. Don't forget your stylus. Our specialized stylus brush ensures it's clean and free from buildup, preserving both your needle and your music. Everything is neatly organized and protected in the included storage pouch. Take it anywhere to keep your records sounding their best. Experience professional-grade record care in the comfort of your own home. This kit is designed for passionate audiophiles who demand the best. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for maintaining your vinyl collection. It includes everything you need to keep your records pristine. If you're looking for an easy way to ensure the longevity and sound quality of your vinyl, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The vinyl disc is made of high-quality material, ensuring durability and longevity. The intricate design of the vinyl disc showcases exceptional craftsmanship. This vinyl disc features a unique playback mechanism that enhances the listening experience. Number 4. Victrola the Quincy 6-in-1 Bluetooth Record Player. Introducing the Quincy by Victrola, a 6-in-1 entertainment center that blends vintage style with modern functionality. It's designed to let you listen your way, no matter your preference. Enjoy your favorite vinyl records, CDs, or cassette tapes. You can also tune into the AM/FM radio, or stream music wirelessly from your smartphone via Bluetooth or the 3.5mm AUX headphone jack. No extra equipment or complicated stereo system is needed. You can have it set up and playing your music in minutes, making it perfect for everyone. This record player combines a charming retro look with the convenience of today's technology. It's an excellent value, ideal for both newcomers and vintage music lovers. Easily navigate all its features with intuitive controls. Everything you need, from input selection and volume to playback and radio tuning, is conveniently located right on the unit. What we like. This device brings together classic and modern entertainment options in one stylish package. It requires no additional equipment, making it incredibly user-friendly. If you appreciate vintage aesthetics but want modern convenience, or if you're just starting your vinyl journey, this is an excellent option. What people say. The vinyl disc has a great sound quality. The design of the vinyl disc is very appealing. The vinyl disc features a unique track list. Number 3. VinylShopUS 12 Vinyl Records Lot 10. Discover a unique collection of 12-inch vinyl records, perfect for your next creative project. These are ideal for vintage decoration, party accents, or thoughtful gifts. Each lot contains genuine vinyl records, offering a true vintage feel. While most are playable, some may show signs of their history with scuffs or faded labels. Let your imagination run wild. Use them for room dividers, unique curtains, or captivating shop displays. You can even heat and shape them into bowls, keychains, or guitar picks. Explore a diverse mix of musical eras. You'll commonly find genres like blues, rock, jazz, R&B, hip-hop, pop, soul, disco, and country. Begin your vinyl record collection with this exciting lot. It's a fantastic way to add a retro touch to your decor or inspire your artistic endeavors. What we like. These offer a creative outlet for artists and decorators. They can be transformed into various crafts or used as unique decorative elements. If you're a DIY enthusiast, a party planner, or an artist looking for unconventional materials, these are ideal for your projects. What people say. The sound quality is amazing, with deep bass and crisp highs. The vinyl disc is surprisingly durable and resistant to scratches. It comes with a beautiful, high-resolution artwork that enhances the listening experience. Number 2. CoolGift Mart Luminous Vinyl Record Stand. Introducing a unique way to organize and display your vinyl records. This stand not only keeps your albums tidy but also highlights your music taste and aesthetic. With its special luminous feature, it doubles as a striking wall decor. Turn it on to cast a warm, cozy glow, creating a high-class atmosphere in any room. Crafted from solid wood and clear acrylic, this holder is built to last. Its durable construction resists scratches and cracks, ensuring your albums are stored safely. Assembly is a breeze, just slide the acrylic into the wooden slot. It comes with a USB cable, allowing you to easily power the light and keep your display illuminated. Elevate your living space with this integrated storage, display, and decor solution. It's the ideal gift for anyone who cherishes vinyl records, music, and a quality lifestyle. We stand by our commitment to quality. Each item is rigorously tested to ensure you receive a perfect product. Contact us with any questions for prompt assistance. What we like. This stand provides a unique way to showcase your vinyl collection with a warm, ambient glow. Its elegant design complements any room, and it's simple to set up. If you want to add a touch of sophistication and personality to your space while displaying your favorite albums, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The vinyl disc has a great sound quality. The design of the vinyl disc is very appealing. This vinyl disc features a unique recording technique. Number 1. Verbatim CDR blank disc 700 MB 52x. Introducing our high-grade recordable discs, perfect for all your data and music needs. They offer a remarkable 100-year archival life and are OEM drive certified for reliable performance. Experience the perfect blend of retro aesthetics and cutting-edge optical technology. These discs provide the performance you need with a unique, eye-catching design. Record up to 80 minutes of files in less than 2 minutes thanks to blazing drive speeds. With 700 MB of storage, you can easily store up to 225 photos. These discs are ideal for a variety of uses, from LP to CD recordings and original music projects to distributing presentations or artwork. Their unique appearance makes them stand out. Trust in Verbatim, a leader in data storage technology since 1969. This product is backed by a limited lifetime warranty and dedicated technical support for your peace of mind. What we like. These discs combine a retro aesthetic with modern optical technology for reliable data and music storage. They offer fast recording speeds and a long archival life. If you're looking to digitize your LPs, record original music, or create unique-looking media for distribution, these are a great option. What people say. The vinyl disc is a great addition to any music lover's collection, offering a warm and rich sound quality that digital formats often lack. Its large format makes it easy to handle and appreciate the artwork, adding a tactile dimension to the listening experience. The durability of vinyl discs means they can last for decades with proper care, providing a long-lasting source of enjoyment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.